how to create friends only video on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a video on TikTok and set the privacy to only friends, and only your friends will be able to watch the video. So let's get started. First, open up TikTok on your mobile phone, of course. Now you have to go to your profile actually, and once you open up your profile, now in order to set privacy you will actually require to make a brand new video. So now it depends on you. If you want to create a video like right now, you can create a new video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of my private videos right here, and I'll show you how we can set up our privacy settings. So this is your TikTok that you just created. Now simply click on these three dots and you have to simply swipe and select the option which says privacy settings. It will open up the privacy settings for you, and here we have different settings that we can do. The first one right here which says who can watch this video, select this one, and now we have three options. We have followers, friends, and only me. Now friends means your followers that you follow back, they're your friends. So what you can do is you can simply select friends from here and it will ask you again, so you just need to confirm, and now my friends can watch this video. And this is how you can also go ahead and create a friends only video on TikTok. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.